Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error code 0x80070043, Windows cannot access, network name cannot be found on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is network reset. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, and then go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. Select advanced network settings, network reset. Click on reset now and finally click on yes. The next solution is a network troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu, and then go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Select troubleshoot in the right pane. Select other troubleshooters. Click on run corresponding to the network and internet troubleshooter. And the last solution is to power cycle the modem, router and the computer. And how would you do that? Switch off the modem, the router and the computer. Now switch on the modem only, not the router, not the computer. Wait till the lights are stable. Then switch on the router. Wait till the lights are stable and finally the computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.